I am Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice, and I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intentions for less. Did you know that we accept authentic items on consignment? You actually will receive more of a commission, which is 50% versus 40%. We have no admin fees as well when you consign an authentic bag with us. What are they? Well, they are what are real. A purse, brand name jackets like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Burberry, and all of that are being duplicated really well nowadays. So you're not getting the actual authentic real item for the price you're paying if you don't know what to look for. What you should look for when you are purchasing a bag are a few different things. I brought the Gucci bag to show you guys a little bit about the things that you would want to see. First of all is the quality of the dust bag. This is, you can see the thickness of the dust bag inside, the stitching of the dust bag, and the leather strap that it ties with. But anybody could put this bag with any knockoff. So what you want to look for in an authentic bag is, one, with this bag, a Gucci bag in particular, is the stitching and the zipper end of it. The other thing is to look inside the zipper and see if there's any additional strings coming out of the bag. A lot of times with the non-authentic bags, they don't snip it and curl sew it on each side. The zipper portion as well is right against the zipper end. It has no extra material on the leather. So a true sign in a fake bag is it's a bigger zipper end and there's extra material on the end of it. The other thing, a sure sign of a fake or a knockoff, is the actual font size and the printing of the font is exactly straight. Also too is looking at your bag where it says made in. So if you go further inside the bag and you see your white tag and it says made in China, that is a sure sign that that is a knockoff purse. When you purchase a real authentic bag, you will receive a serial number card. Those as well can be duplicated, so you actually want to really look at that font and how that has been typed out. Make sure when you're purchasing your real bag that your font inside the leather tab is embossed, as well as embossed with your serial number on your card. Your serial number should also be inside your real bag. The other question I get a lot is when you are purchasing your authentic bag or item is, how do I store them? So the idea is to give it its own space, meaning if it's going inside your closet, just push your clothes over if it's a hanging item just a little bit so they're not up against anything. Put the clutches in magazine holders, display them and place them inside there in their dust bags. Those are just a few tips and tricks to look for. I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, it doesn't have to be new to be awesome.